All right, guys, we got another Kona N, 2023 Kona N 2.0 turbo. Look at this thing, beauty. And what we got done on it, it's all factory up there. Then we added a pipe, took the resonator out, and put a stainless steel bros that he brought it himself. Here is the part number, right there. Sorry for all the noise, guys. Right there, stainless bros. I don't know why I call it stainless steel. Stainless bros, resonator. There's the part number, guys. There'll be a link in the description for it. And we added pipe in there, so you will need to add pipe for it to fit. Okay, so I would take it to a shop, get it professionally done. And then 2.5 out the back. And then it's got the dual muffler out the back. Single in, dual outside. Okay, with a valve on one side right there. So when it gets into sport mode, that's when it opens up and gets crazy loud. There it is, Kona N 2.0 turbo. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys didn't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So if you ever come visit here, come say hi. All right, Hyundai Kona N with a stainless bros resonator swap. So that opens the valve, lets it breathe a lot more, as you guys can see. Man, that sounds sick. Here's sound decibels. 107. That's awesome. That sounds so good. Go ahead and back it out. That's where the resonator, he tried to do it himself and didn't work. It started leaking. I don't blame him for trying though. He did a good job for what he is. Kona N. Look at that pop. It sounds so good. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Think of the look of these. I like them. Can you tell them to stop welding?